Hello aspirants, welcome to Root Support Academy. In today's session, we are going to discuss one among the most interesting topics of reasoning, that is blood relation. Okay, so we have Q is the brother of C and C is the sister of Q. R and D are brother and sister. R is the son of A while C and A are wife and husband. How is Q related to D? So this question might seem a little lengthy and difficult to solve, but actually it is not. Let me just tell you a few symbols that you can use in order to solve blood relations in a simpler and easy way. So I tell you here, you can denote positive, you can give positive sign if it's a male. So you give positive sign if it's a male, and you can write minus sign if it's a female. And whenever you have a relation wherein it says brother and sister, and sister, you can just denote it with a line. Example, A is the sister of B. You can just denote it with a line. When you have to represent the same thing and tell that A and B are husband and wife, so you can just add two arrow marks. These are the simple symbols that you can remember in order to solve problems related to blood relation. Okay, so let me just tell you how to solve this problem. It says Q is the brother of C. So I'll write it as Q is the brother of C. Now Q is male, Q is brother, so I'm writing plus. Okay, C is the sister of Q. C is the sister of Q. I write here minus. Next we have R and D are brother and sister. R and D will wait for some time and write next. R is the son of A. R is the son of A, while C and A are wife and husband. C and A, here comes A. C and A are wife and husband. So already we have a female wife. So C is the husband. We'll go back to the question. C is the sister of Q. R and D are brother and sister. R is the son of A. Who is the son of A? R is the son of A. I'm writing plus because it's again male. R and D are brother and sister. So R and D are brother and sister. Here you have brother and this is the sister. So using these symbols, I have just explained here that what is the final representation of this question. Now the question that they've asked is, how is Q related to D? How is Q related to D? So how can we find out this solution? So who are these two? These are brother and sister. These are their parents. So if this is me and this is my brother and these two are my parents, so this will be my mom and this will be my dad. My mom's brother. So this is plus, so this has to be a male. So my mom's brother will be my what? He will be my maternal uncle. So the solution says that in the option, now if you have how is Q related to D, you write the answer as maternal uncle. Okay. So next we have A is the brother of B, C is the father of B, E is the mother of B, A and D are brothers. How is E related to C? And we have four options here. Option A, sister. Option B, sister-in-law. Option C, niece. Option D, wife. Let us do the same thing and find out. A is the brother of B. A is the brother of B. A I'm writing plus because it's a male. C is the father of B. E is the mother of B. Who is the mother of B? E is the mother of B. E is a mother. Then C is the father of D. Okay. About D, where have they given? A and D are brothers. A and D are brothers and C is the father of D. C is the father of D. So what is this? Here, all of these that are given are siblings. So what could be the relationship between E and C? What could be the relationship between E and C? So when all these are siblings, all three are interlinked, obviously these two are supposed to be husband and wife. When we know C is the father of D, then automatically E becomes the wife. So how is E related to C? E is the wife of C. Okay, so aspirants can try solving in the same method this question. R is the daughter of Q. M is the sister of B, who is the son of Q. How is M related to R? You have options. Option A, cousin. Option B, niece. Option C, sister. Option D, aunt. Solve this by yourself and drop your answers in the comment section. Thank you.